sensation.
And it got like different restraints as well, as you can see. I will show you that in a bit. So yeah, the first time we won this, well, from my experience anyway, the first time I went on was, yeah, it was like a weird sensation, but amazing. And then when I went on the second time, it was so much better because I was used to it from the first time. But yeah, guys, I recommend if it's like weird or something the first time, get on a second time because it's so much better, guys, honestly. It really is. I mean, look at it go. It's amazing, guys.
Ready for the next one? Come on, step this way.
I'll show you the seating positions now. So yeah, just hold to point that out. It's like you're flipping upside down in the air and all that, and it's so amazing. But yeah, I love Equinox so much, guys. And the more you go on it, the more you get used to it, because obviously it's an unusual ride, you know, in the UK. And yeah, it's just amazing to have it back, honestly. Yeah, it's such a different ride experience to any other ride, and yeah, I'm starting to really enjoy it now. You know, rather than the first time, I've enjoyed it more since I've ridden it more. I've ridden this about 4 times, and yeah, it's amazing, honestly. I'm gonna get back on it today, honestly, guys. But yeah, guys, the best way I could describe Equinox is like a giant top stand, like at Barry Island, and but it's just absolutely more intense, and it's a different kind of feeling, if that makes sense.
To the Equinox, take your seats now to ride. Ladies and gentlemen, hold on tight. You're in for a truly moving experience.
Flying high, and then it goes round like that. Oh god, guys. Oh god. And then it flips upside down. And then we go the other way, which is way more intense. Oh, here we go. And I really recommend, honestly.
Okay, safe and sound back on the ground, all ready for the next one.